I'm reviewing this 50 pack of these meal prep containers. Now these are actually from WGCC is the brand, and then these are 32 ounces. They did have a variety of different sizes, different pack counts, that sort of thing. But we went with 50 as we figured that would be a good start. Now what I'm going to do is open this up and then show you exactly what you're going to get inside and the size of the actual containers themselves in inches rather than just in ounces. On the side of the box, it is going to give you some information. So they are reusable, they're leak proof, microwave safe as well, which is a great thing. Dishwasher safe also, and then you can use them for cold or hot. And you can even put them into the freezer. So that is really nice, the options that these kind of meal containers are going to give you. Now inside is just going to be a giant bag. So it's going to have a bag of lids, and then it's going to have a giant bag of the bottoms as well. So let me go ahead and untie these and pull out one of those containers. So I pulled one out of both the lid and the container itself. And as you can see, it's going to be one solid container, so there's not going to be any dividers or partitions or whatever. I feel like this is going to be a little bit thicker than, say, a TV dinner would be in regards to the plastic, but it's not going to be incredibly thick. So you can see here I can easily bend it. So I'm going to say that you'll probably get multiple uses out of these. However, if you aren't very careful with them, you're not going to get many uses out of them just because they do bend a good amount. So you will want to make sure if you're using them for meal prep, maybe for taking to work or kids for lunch or that sort of a thing, you want to make sure that they're careful with them if you're wanting to use them more than just one or two times. In regards to the lid, it's going to easily fit right on top, and then it clips all of the way around. So that's really nice. You will want to make sure that it's actually clipped all the way around, as just putting it on does not mean it's going to be clipped. And then it does show right here on top that it is going to be microwave safe, so that is a nice bonus as well. Now in regards to actual dimensions, I actually have a tape measure here. So the actual length of this is going to be about 9 inches. The actual depth is going to be a little over 6, so about 6 1/4. And then from the top to the bottom is going to be about 2.5 inches or so. Now again, that's the measurements on the top. The measurements on the bottom are going to be a little bit smaller just because of the way that they have the lip all the way around this container. So overall, super happy with this purchase. Love the fact that you can throw them in the freezer if you need to. You can microwave them. You can put cold food in them, hot food in them, that sort of a thing. And they also are designed to be leak proof. So gives you a ton of different options for these. And it's not like you have to then take it out of this and put it onto a plate to put it in the microwave or to heat it up, or if you can only use them for cold things and not hot and whatever. These are very, very versatile containers. So love that about these containers.